Hey folks, Ray from LoveYourRV.com coming to you from Gila Bend, Arizona, home of 1,917 friendly people and 5 old crabs. Elevation 737 feet. So I just did this video today to show you not all the places we camp in are totally beautiful and scenic and quiet and peaceful and all that. Sometimes we have to hunker down in a place for a few days and recharge ourselves. Recharge the tanks, do some laundry, all that kind of stuff, do some shopping, get fuel. So this is one of my favorite little places in the desert to do that. It's called Holt Shell, and it's kind of a small truck stop, gas station affair. And in the back is a little RV park, Holt Shell RV Park, and it's a Passport America park. So we can get full hookups in there for $11.95 a night with our 50% off Passport America card. So that's a really good deal. They got a laundry. I can flush out our waste tanks and we can enjoy some full hookups for a day or two before we're back out dry camping again. So maybe let me just give you a little look around this place and show you why we really like it. So you can see they have a set of pumps just for RVs and long vehicles on this side at the fuel station. The other side they have big pumps for the big rigs, and then little pumps out on the front. Lots of room to maneuver. And in here we got a nice little dog park. Not many trucks in right now as it's just around just before dinner time, but they'll fill up overnight. Let's walk back here to the RV park. Here's another feature I like, free RV dump and water fill. And lots of room to come in and out. Got your free dump right here. Two dump stations. And over here you have potable water to fill up. No charge. They also have propane fill. Let's walk towards the RV park. This section over here you can dry camp for free in your RV if you don't want to pay the small nightly fee to be in the RV park. Let's go over here and show you the sign. There we go. Holt Shell RV Park, Escapees Passport America. $11.98 plus tax. So with the tax we paid for 3 nights, $40. Can't beat that. And they've really upgraded the fixtures at the RV park since I've been here. Not a bad RV park. Nothing special, you're just parked on dirt. And annoying dogs. Let's give you a look at how big the sites are here. So they're plenty wide and nice and long. And you got your laundry over there in that shack. No showers, but you can get showers at the truck stop for $7. Yeah, fun times. All the bedding's getting washed. All the clothes. Should wash that Beagle. You're looking a little dusty, Beagle. Filling up the old water tank. Well, so far this filter's working out good. I added some quick connects to it, make it a little easier. So we're filling up the tank. See, the hookups here are pretty nice. Looks like they've just installed new ones recently. Even the electric is nice. What's this? Yeah, I sure can't complain for the money we're paying, that's for sure. Continue on. Fun side of RVing. Fresh propane. Sunrise. Stopped at the little rest area, give Angie a chance to do her business before we leave today. You gotta watch out, there's dinosaurs here. Ah, Pretty cool. So yeah, they have this little neat little dog rest area. This for the people stopping at the gas station and the truck stop. And let Fido do his business. Maybe have a little bite to eat. Uh-oh. Gila monster. Watch out, it's a dangerous place here. It's pretty cool. They have a lot of metal art sculptures around this place. So yesterday I went over to this guy that sells blankets and flags, and he had a new Happy Face flag for me. Woo! The old one's getting a little tattered. Did lots of chores yesterday. Got fuel at the pumps here, so Big Blue's all filled up. Checked its oil. I also gave Big Blue a wash and a wax, and we did all our laundry. Got propane filled up over at the propane area. So yeah, it's been a good place to stop over and do our chores. Like I say, this is a Passport America park. I don't know if you've heard of the Passport America card, but it's 50% off of camping. And we've used it, saved us about $200 in RV fees so far this snowbird season, so I recommend it. I'm actually an affiliate for it, so if you click on my affiliate link, I get $10 when you buy the $44 card. So appreciate it if you did that. If you're going to buy the card, help me out. Anyway, almost time to hit the road. We have one more thing to do. Promised Dan to pick up a turtle here, so we're going to go to a little place out front of the Shell station this morning before we leave and pick her a turtle out. You can see this place is just jammed full of tourist trinkets and stuff. There's a bunch in the store too. All kinds of art sculptures they import from down in Mexico, I guess. There's the turtles. I'm sure hoping she picks a very small turtle for the rig. I don't want any of these ginormous turtles. That's probably why they offer the cheap rates. Then they know everybody's going to come over here and buy some piece of art. Cool. It's like the park filled right up last night. So what'll happen overnight, everybody comes in. So if you want to come, you want to get here a little bit early. Time for a little breakfast, and then we'll be off. Gonna hit a pretty state park near Phoenix today. Stay there for a week. It's dry camping, but it's worth it for the spectacular mountain views. Stay tuned. Oh, she got a turtle. Thank God, it's small.
I was gonna get the big one, but he was pretty heavy.
Oh,
so
he's cute.
This guy. He's cute, isn't he? See, I'll take his little stickers off. Look at him.
Aww, let me see his face.
He doesn't really have much of a face.
He's a pretty cute turtle.
Yeah.
Okay, we have a replacement for this thing then.
This one doesn't shed.
Yeah, that one doesn't shed. We'll have to name him. Maybe Pokey.